Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with Unit 12, Heron's Formula. Dear students, in this chapter we will study how to find out the area of a triangle whose perpendicular is not given to us, or it is not a right triangle. Because if the triangle is a right triangle, then we can apply the formula half base into height. But if the height is not given to us, instead of height all the three sides are given to us, then this formula can be used. So what is this formula? Very first of all, the formula of the triangle is area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Dear students, in this S is meant for semi-perimeter. As the name suggests, perimeter, and its half is called as semi-perimeter. And what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all the three sides. A, B, C is the length of each side respectively. So what is the perimeter? A plus B plus C. So what will be its semi-perimeter? Just divide the perimeter by 2, you will get semi-perimeter. So area of triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So you have to practice this formula. Dear students, write whenever you solve the sum, you have to write the formula in every question. Now second thing, now we are going to find out area of a triangle. So for area, which unit should be used? Units for area is square units, like centimeter square, meter square. Means we will use always square centimeter, meter square, and so on. Right? Now let us start with the question number 1. In question number 1, dear students, it is given to us. Dear students, what they are asking you in question number 1, 12.1 exercise, they are asking you that a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. A signal board is there which is triangular in shape, and on this board it is written school ahead. So let us write school ahead. This is written over here. So dear students, the board is in the form of equilateral triangle. It is given to us that the triangle is equilateral. That means all the sides are equal and each side is A. So if one side is A, then the remaining sides are also equal to A. Now find the area of this signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter. Dear students, the semi-perimeter is given to us. We have to find out the area of this triangular board. So how you can find out the area of this triangular board? So because the semi-perimeter is given to us, we will first of all use the formula of semi-perimeter. So it is A plus B plus C. Semi-perimeter divided by 2 because it is semi. So, and this is equal to 180 centimeter. But here A is equal to A, B is A, C is A. So we will place A everywhere. Like this. So all three are like terms. 3A by 2 is equal to 180 degree, and when you cross multiply it, you will get the value of A. 180 multiplied by 2 and divided by 3, multiplied by 2 divided by 3. So you will get 60 and this will be 120 centimeter. This is A. That means now we have side equal to 120 centimeter. Now let us put the value of A in this formula and also the value signal board. Board is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So square root of S, what is this? 180. Then bracket, then 180 S minus A, what is A? It is 120. Again S, 180 minus B, 120. Again bracket, 180 minus 120. So dear students, in this way you have to put the values in the formula. Now let us solve it. Square root of 180 multiplied by 120 multiplied by 180 minus 120 is 60. Again 60, again 60. And if no sign is there between the brackets, that means multiplication is there. So let us factorize it. As you know, square root can be solved by making the pairs. So let us split it. One pair we are already having. Let us take it out. Now left is 180 into 60. 180 can be written as 3 into 60. 3 into 60 into 60. Again we have a pair. Let us take it out. So 60 multiplied by 60 under root 3. So it will be 3600 square root, and because centimeter is there and for area square unit should be there, so we will write down centimeter square. So dear students, in this way you will be able to solve the question. So let us quickly revise the whole question. Very first of all, because equilateral triangle is given to us, all three sides are equal, that is equal to A. Semi-perimeter is given to us, S is equal to 180 centimeter. Because each side is A, so A plus A plus A is 3A divided by 2, 180. By solving this, we will get the length of each side is equal to 120 centimeter. Then, as the signal board is in the form of a triangle, so we will use Heron's formula. We have substituted the value of S, then again S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C. And to solve the square root, you know, we have to make the pairs. One pair we already have, that is 60 into 60. So from this pair, we have taken out 160. Then square root. Now we have splitted 180 into 3 into 60 is 180. And 60 again we made a pair of 60. So we'll take it out. Then 3600 root 3 centimeter square. So dear students, in this way you will be able to solve the complete question. This chapter is very easy, dear students. You will be able to solve it.